What's up, data people? My name is Matthew Hevron, and welcome to Lesson 9, Understanding Pills. If you want to follow along, I put a link to the data source in the notes below. But with that said, let's open up the Tableau public app. We'll go to Microsoft Excel, click Sample Superstore, and open. Next, we'll grab Orders, drop that in the data pane, and we'll go to Sheet 1. Let's grab Category and drop that on Rows. And you can see the category pill is blue, and blue pills indicate discrete values. It has a finite set of values. So category has furniture, office supplies, and technology. And discrete fields generally have headers. So category is on rows, and we have this category header. If I grab category, drop that on columns, we have this header, this category header on columns. Okay, let's drag that off. Next, we'll grab cells. Let's drop that on rows. And you can see cells is a green pill. And green pills indicate continuous values. They are treated as an infinite range. So we drop that on rows and we get a cells axis. Let's see what happens if we grab profit and drop that on columns. We get a profit axis. So when we drop continuous values on columns and rows, we'll get an axis. Okay, let's take this off. Next, let's build a bar chart to see how Tableau handles discrete and continuous pills. So we'll grab order date, drop that on columns, and we'll grab cells and we'll drop that on rows. And what I wanted to point out is we have this discrete blue pill that gave us that header we talked about, and we have a continuous green pill that gave us our axis. Cool? Making sense? So let's look at some of the differences here between these two pills. If you hold down your command key, let's grab some of cells and we'll drop that on filter. And we'll hit all values and we hit next and we'll select range of values. We'll right click on the filters and we'll say show filter. And you can see here we have a range because continuous is at infinite value, so we just get this range slider. So what does a discrete filter look like? We'll hold down the command key. Let's grab year. We'll drop that on filters and we'll hit years next. So here we get our finite amount of values, our 2017, 18, 19, and 20. All right, so if I right click, I can say show filter. So you can see the difference between a continuous filter and a discrete filter here. Let's look at another example. So we'll pull these off filters and let's hold down our command key and we will drop some of cells on color. So again, we have this continuous pill and it gives us this range. We have a light blue to a darker blue. If I come here to color, I can hit edit colors and we have these different palettes you can choose from which have these ranging values. Okay. We'll close that and let's take some of cells, drag that off. The last thing we'll look at is we'll hold down our command key. Let's look at year and we'll drop that on color. And again, we have these finite values. It's just 2017, 18, 19, 20. If I go to color, you select an individual color for each mark here. So a quick recap. Blue pills indicate discrete values. Green pills indicate continuous. With that said, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on understanding pills. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to connect with me, join our Slack community, and I'll see you in the next lesson.